We spend almost 90% of our time indoors. Losing touch with the environment combined with a busy lifestyle will not only affect your performance but also your well-being. Being close to nature is good for your mental and physical health. Enhance your lifestyle by creating a living space that is soothing to be in. The EcoGarden uses a 1,000-year-old growing method to do just that. With its own self-sustaining ecosystem, this miniature greenhouse is capable of growing herbs and vegetables all year round. It combines aquaculture and hydroponics in a symbiotic environment. The fish waste provides an organic food source for the plants, while the ecosystem naturally filters the water which is recirculated back to the fish. No soil or chemical fertilizers and completely pesticide-free. Your fish and herbs are constantly being monitored by multiple sensors, which are continuously uploading real-time data of your system's health. Receive live notifications about the status of your EcoGarden and track the progress of your plants. Feed your fish and control your garden remotely, right from the palm of your hand. With a team of engineers and support from experts, we have been working for the past year and a half on developing the EcoGarden. Using state-of-the-art LED grow lights and integrated sensors, we have made growing fun and easy and extremely simple to set up and maintain. No green thumb or toolbox required.
You don't have to rely on your neighbors to take care of your fish or water your plants. The system does it for you. Hey Google, talk to EcoGarden. I want to feed my fish.
Your fish have been fed. What would you like to do next?
Just fill the EcoGarden with water, add your fish, place your grow medium, plant the seeds, and connect with nature. Don't let your busy schedule stop you from spending time with those you care for the most. Enjoy growing in a calm and relaxing environment and be part of the whole growing process from seed to harvest. Place your garden anywhere you want. It fills out any room and creates a living and harmonic environment. Feel good about going away for a few days, knowing that your system will take care of itself. With smart light sensors, the EcoGarden will automatically adjust the brightness to make sure your plants thrive with the best efficiency and yield possible. With the app, you control everything wherever you are. Your EcoGarden is always connected to your Wi-Fi, which allows you to check the status in real time or the analytics and much more. Rethink the way we grow food and experience the beauty of growing smarter. Help us create a better and more sustainable world for future generations, one person at a time.
We are ready for production, but we need your help. Join us on this journey and be part of a growing community. Please support us and back our project. Thank you.